Hi.
Hi. Guess what, guys? Guess what time of year it is?
Yeah, exactly. We're back to that time of year.
To that time. To that good old time of making 120 cookies.
That's right.
For my work. And every year, Terry is so awesome to help me.
Yeah, it's no problem. We're trying something new.
We're not doing haystacks this year, I don't think. As long as everything comes together.
Well, I don't want to go back to the store, so it better work.
I already forgot what they're called.
Palmiers.
Palmiers.
Making palmiers, which is like a French pastry cookie.
Mm-hmm. And they're really tasty.
They are really tasty.
And we're going to make a lot of them.
Yeah. But they're a good choice because
they're easy.
They're very few ingredients. They're very easy to make.
You make a lot out of the dough, out of one dough.
They're inexpensive. Yeah. So let's do it.
Terry found them and we tried them and I was like, yeah, let's do that. Okay.
Yeah. And we're going to try. I'm going to have to make some cookies for tomorrow too. So we're just going to try out.
It is.
Some experimenting tonight.
Yes. It is officially cookie baking day.
Woo!
And cookie day is on Monday. So.
Yeah.
Where we package them and send them out. So. Here we go, guys.
Yeah, welcome back to Cookie Baking Making
Cookie
Day.
Mania!
Let's go to the store.
Okay.
It's the Grinch. Here, let's grab a cart.
Oh, yeah. I just thought we wanted to carry it. We're having issues.
So 4 for you.
Yeah.
And then I'll get one more for church. Either like white chocolate chips or you could get like the Candy Quick. It's up to you.
Does this taste any different?
I don't really think so just because it's just a very little bit. You're not putting a ton on there.
Does it harden faster, I wonder?
Maybe a little bit faster. I don't know.
I'll do this.
Okay. It's time to make cookies.
Cookies.
We're doing a test run on something else first.
We're trying a different design real quick.
Yeah, just to see what happens.
But cookie making is officially.
We finally started. Maybe a little bit too late, as usual.
We had to eat. We had
to get Christmas-y.
We had to watch a Christmas movie and eat and get sustenance and get prepared.
Exactly.
So
right, exactly.
Now we're ready. And here we go.
And here we go. Fold. This is what she said to do.
Well, I thought you took the whole picture.
It looks like it. I don't know. I don't even think I've ever really watched somebody do it, so is what it is. Hopefully it stays. I wonder if I should. Oh no. Do something.
We'll just see what happens. But
I think you're doing it wrong.
I think you put it on there and then you flip the whole thing over and then flatten it out again and then you cut it in strips when it's folded over. So it's longer. And then you twist and twist and twist.
Okay.
But you're just making baby ones, so that probably works just fine.
Okay. This is the other experiment.
And see if I can we can get them in a heart shape.
Yeah. Spreading that cinnamon sugar.
Spread my sugar. No, that doesn't sound good.
No, it doesn't.
That doesn't sound good. Never mind.
So far, she said it was fun. That's good. She squished it together.
Squish it. Squish it. And then you do this. halfway, right?
Fold it. Not quite halfway, like halfway of that.
Like that.
Yeah.
And then like this. Aren't I supposed to touch?
And then you fold it
that's
again.
right. Like this?
No, wait, yeah,
Or like this?
yeah, yes. Like that. And then you do that, and then you fold them together.
Like this.
Yeah. And then we cut them.
Chop, chop, chop.
Then,
I want it in a heart.
yeah, we're trying out a heart shape. Yeah, I think that'll help, like really pinch like that. Okay, just do it a bunch more times.
Got this.
That's really what they look like. That's cute. I think they do need to be separated a little bit more.
Oh, yeah. Gotcha.
Jenna can work at a bakery. She's a perfectionist. Me, not so much. Yeah, it's good enough. It's good. Sure.
No, hold on. It just needs a little shaping.
A little bit more. Just like that.
Here we go. First batch. First test batch, I should say.
Yeah, test batch.
What are we doing this all night?
It didn't totally work, so we're gonna try something else. This is the best one. And this one. Trying it a little bit different because they didn't come out the best.
They did not.
And we looked up, we
How
just
to do it.
gonna put the sugar on slightly differently. That's
Ow,
all.
that's-
Oh, careful. All we can do is try.
Yep. Other than that, they're really easy.
Yeah. Sugar.
Sugar.
Pour some sugar on me. Get it. We figured it out. They're beautiful.
This one is my favorite. Or this one.
Oh, yeah, I like these ones that are a little bit more.
Yeah. Maybe squishing them together like that helps.
Even
it
better.
keep them closed.
Right.
Oh, they turn out.
Woo-hoo! They're looking good.
These ones are still baking.
They're just baking a little more because they're on the top shelf.
But they look really good too.
Yay! We figured it out. No problems.
Yay.
Woohoo! That's good.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Our last batch is going to be beautiful.
It's gonna be the best one yet.
Yep.
Good job.
Down just in time for the last one.
Mm-hmm.
They're looking good.
Yeah, they are. They are looking good.
And then
Yeah. That was putting chocolate on if you weren't
that's
sure.
what's on there. There you go. Wait and watch. Oh yeah, thank you.
It's the last batch.
Cute.
Cute. We did it.
They look good.
Very nice. We did it.
You know, it's not late or anything.
Not late at all.
But we did it.
Cookies. Lots of them.
Yeah.
100 and how many did you get?
41.
141. And we didn't even use all the pastry.
No.
It's impressive. Technically, we made more than that, but
They got
those
a little
ones are
toasty.
brown. Woo!
Yay.
I'm sure we look really awake right now. Look at it, we made him festive and cute.
I didn't help it. And Terry said it was easy, so we did
It
it.
was easy.
It was easy.
Yeah, now she wants to try it.
I do. I want to try not a burnt one.
Yeah.
Let me eat this.
You have more than you need.
You want to try it?
I'm good. I'm good. Not quite cold yet. You're good? It makes all the difference, I think, to put the sugar on the top. Like that. It's good, Cookie. You did it! We did it. Good job, us.
What is that saying? The fruit of our labor?
Yes, I think so. Yeah.
I get to enjoy it now.
Yeah. We took a long time. We got started a little too late. That was on us.
When do we never?
And we watched 4 Christmas movies tonight. While we baked these and tried to figure out how to make them.
109.
It's 109.
We started at like 8 something, right? Or
well,
later?
we went shopping at like 4 something. We started actually baking at like 8 something. We finally started maybe a little bit too late. So, but that's okay. We did it.
Annual cookie bake done.
Annual cookie bake done. Good job. Will you do it again? This cookie, I mean, not the baking part. Not sure about that.
Yeah, I mean, it was easy.
Yeah, we had to figure it out.
Yeah.
That was kind of the problem, but we did kind of figure it out.
We did figure it out eventually.
I'm the one who always changes it up on her, so probably will do something different just because I decide to.
I still feel like the haystacks are easier, but
yeah,
because there's no baking involved.
that's true. Less time. There's less time involved.
Yeah.
But
these actually,
they're cute.
I really like the taste of these, and they're super cute.
Yeah, they're like actually Christmassy looking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we did the chocolate and the sprinkles.
Yes. That was the fastest and easiest part.
It was.
So,
Yeah.
I'm glad we did it too.
Yeah, it looks really festive and cute now.
Yay! 140 cookies done.
140 down.
Woo!
I ate one. I had
And she liked it.
141.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching.
We're gonna go home. Well, I'm gonna go
She's
home
getting home. Once these
Soon.
cookies are done cooling.
and go night.
Yeah.
So we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Get back.
The more you handle it, the more warm it gets.
That's what she said.
These are not what you want, but like even when they come out like this, I still think they're pretty enough.
Yeah.
You know, so it's only what time? 12:44.
Church West. Killing these smalls.